This is the Swerve Brown sweetener. It's basically a sugar alternative, especially for brown sugar. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It looks like brown sugar, nice texture. This is great if you want to make something that requires brown sugar, like baked goods or caramels and similar things. Absolutely great. It has 0 sugars and 0 calories. It's completely plant-based and absolutely keto-friendly. So if you are looking for a sugar alternative for brown sugar, this is absolutely high-quality product that I absolutely recommend. Calories and everything is here on the listing. As you can see, it has just 3% of carbs and 0 calories, which is basically also, it means also 0 sugar. Absolutely great product, and I absolutely recommend it.